Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you modern TV unit design ideas for your living room. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dear viewers, entertainment units or modern TV cabinet, like any other piece of furniture, are usually large and take up a lot of space. It also provides visual appeal and storage space. They are ideal for creating a focal point in large open plan homes. We all have different personalities and preferences when it comes to TV stand design. However, there has recently been a demand for minimal and contemporary modern TV cabinet designs in a variety of sizes that can be easily accommodated in modern apartments. This is reflected in the latest modern TV cabinet designs available in the market. Whether you have moved into a new home or want to experiment with your interior design, the goal is to incorporate your personal style. Even if you are thinking of incorporating built-in modern TV cabinet designs or TV unit glass design. TV unit decor ideas should blend with the rest of your decor. In this video, we have handpicked some of the most popular entertainment TV panel designs right now. The hall or living room serves as the focal point of your home. Make this space bright and inviting for your visitors. Or perhaps you prefer something cozier and more comfortable. Wood is the only material that is both timeless and elegant. It looks great against neutral walls and is thus a popular choice among many Pakistanis for wooden TV unit design for hall. It can bring even the most dropped living space to life. Look at how this wooden lamination contrasts with the neutral tuned walls. The sleek wooden flower cabinet supports the TV, while the white modern TV cabinet and grey tuned accessories add to the overall look of this living room. Contemporary is the way to go if you like sharp and sleek TV stand designs. Take a look at this simple black and white silhouette that adds functionality to design. The whitewashed wall provides an ideal backdrop for this modern TV cabinet. You can add fresh flowers for a splash of colors of this otherwise monochromatic playground. The colors brown is a very basic neutral that fits all home decor planning. Brown is currently seeing a huge revival in home styling, layout, and interior planning. This color combined with white adds depth to the room and lifts the room in a way. A brown TV panel will be an ideal choice for you if you are not a fan of pop hints of color in your room. TV unit designs can vary widely based on individual preferences, available space, and interior design styles. However, I can provide you with some common elements and features found in TV unit designs. First of all, wall-mounted TV unit, ideal for saving floor space and providing a modern sleek look. Second number, TV cabinet offers storage space for media devices, accessories, and other items. Entertainment center, a larger unit that may include shelves, cabinets, and display areas. Storage features, shelves for displaying decor items, books, or media components. When choosing a TV unit design, consider your room's layout, color scheme, and the overall aesthetic you want to achieve. It's essential to strike a balance between functionality and style to create a harmonious living space.